is Andrea. We're from the island of Cyprus, and here we're going to make one video instead of two because it's a small combination for a beginner moving towards the improver level. Okay, so it's not for a complete beginner, but it's not as high as the intermediate level moves that I do. So I'm going to make all in one video. I'll start teaching it first, and then I'll make it with the music with you at the end. Let's get started. Okay, first we do a basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we do what I like to call the London Bridge. 1, 2, you move to the side. 5, 6, 7, the lady simply passes over. Okay, now the timing of turning, and we're not actually turning, sorry for the background noise guys. If you like to support Patreon right here so we can get nice microphones so you don't have all that background noise. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. On that last beat you need to turn the girl. Then you go in front of her, ask for her other hand, cross body lead with both hands with a full turn, and you come into a cross position. Now notice my right hand, it goes under, all the way passing the elbow, because if you don't, you won't be able to do it. Pass your elbow of your hand and over and pull it out of the hole. Practice that one more time. Hold regularly, in. Now with the timing, this has to go 1, 2, be out by 3, so you can give the lady a regular turn 5, 6, 7. Let's do it from the top and 1, 2, London Bridge, 5, 6, she turns, both hands, cross body lead with both hands together. Go down and out, turn the lady and stop her with an elbow outside. You can stop her here and do the same work, but I think it just looks a little bit different. Throw the hand on 1, 2, catch by 3. On 5, go back with your body weight so you give the lady a left spin. So grab the shoulder so you bring her more forward, push her back and bring the hand behind the back. They don't really expect that, but if you lead it correctly, it will work just fine. Now this is just like doing a double progressional turn, or 1.5 actually. Quite beginner and easy, yeah? But we have our hands here, so we will turn the lady the same way and exchange from one hand to the other. Watch slowly, 1, 2, 3, exchange, lift and turn. Easy enough? One more time. Let's take it from throwing the hand. 1, 2, 3, absorb the lady, turn her around 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, change 6, 7. Try not to stop her progression with your change. It's like passing from a distance the hand. Now ask for the other hand, and guys, you're gonna turn to the right. This looks a little bit difficult, but trust me, it's not. It's just so much fun to do. We bring this over, 1, 2, 3, and now you have her hand on your belly. Let it go as you're taking forward step on 5, turn to the left on 6, and find it to grab it again. Easy enough? As you go to the basic, 1, 2, put the right hand over, you guys turn 5, 6, surprise turn on 7, and that's our last step, cross body lead. We're gonna do it with music, and again without music, stay right there. Okay, before we continue, let's do it from, actually, you might want to see this part, I think. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now, being who I am, annoying and over-explaining, let's do it from the beginning and then with music. 5, if you don't have partner, visualize a partner. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, London Bridge is coming down. 1, 2, 3, 5, cross body lead, and 1, 2, 3, with a regular turn, hand in, 1, 2, 3, pull out 5, 6, 7, throw and catch, shoulder and around, 1, 2, make space, 5, exchange the hands, go over 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, over 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and let's go with music. that was with music. If you like, rewind it, watch it again, learn it. It's got very nice small little tricks that you can use all the way to your advanced level. I hope you like it. Once again, I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the island of Cyprus with a message of stay healthy, stay home, and see you in the next video.